Nothing is more pleasing to the eye than the sight of plump, ruby red strawberries resting within a bushel of dark green leaves. It's definitely worth your while to try growing strawberries, and the good news is that they are relatively easy to grow and harvest. Strawberries require a lot of heat and light and grow best in warm, dry conditions while being exposed to at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Building soil fertility and soil health before planting is most important for organic strawberry production. The soil must be prepared well before strawberries are planted in order to build fertility, organic matter and soil structure, and to get rid of pests and weeds. Strawberries will grow on most soil types, but very sandy soil may lead to problems with drought, and heavy, clay soils with poor drainage may lead to disease problems, such as red steely. Strawberries do best in soil that is high in organic matter and fertility. Strawberry plants have a higher relative nitrogen demand in the early spring and late fall. In early spring the plants are going through a highly energy-demanding period as they produce their strawberries. You can feed your strawberries every 2 weeks with a balanced, organic fertilizer during the growing season. As soon as they start to flower, switch to a high-potash liquid fertilizer to maximize their fruit-bearing potential. Your strawberries will require frequent watering due to their shallow roots that are prone to drying out rapidly. Especially during summer when it's very hot, making regular watering of the utmost importance. It is also, however, of equal significance that you do not water your strawberries too much as it can cause the roots to rot. It is recommended that watering only takes place in the morning to minimize the length of time that the soil is very wet. You can start your strawberry harvest in the second season. Pick your strawberries in the early morning while they are cool. For the sweetest fruit, pick your berries when they are fully red in color. Snap the stem directly above the ripe berry. Do not pull the berry or you could damage the plant. Strawberries are easily bruised, so be careful when picking. Enjoy your delicious homegrown fruit. Thank you for watching my video.